Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to brighten photo in Pixlr. It's quite simple, so all you gotta do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's type right in. So let's tap in the Pixlr app here, and suppose I want to brighten this image, okay? So all you have to do is go to this brush option, brushes, that is in the bottom. So let's tap in there, and there's gonna see brighten option, let's tap in there. And here you can dictate how bright you want it to be by sliding this. So you see how I'm putting this all over. You can do this by how you write with pencil and you erase it. Just like that on your fingertips, like this, all over. And see how it's brightening. And yeah, this is how you can also increase the intensity like this. Yeah, and this is how you brighten your picture and make it more out there and vibrant. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.